Hi girls, this is Shehla. I already did a tutorial on this look. So now I will be going to a dholak, and for that I will be revamping this look. I will be taking it one notch further. So I will be redoing everything that will take it make it more glamorous. So we will start with the eyebrows first. Just run a spoolie through the eyebrows. Like this. Take a close-up mirror, see where it needs to be redone. Just here and there, not much. So it's almost perfect. Now we will run the to set the brows in place, and so they will not move around during the whole time, like this. So it has just been revamped a little bit. Now the next step will be taking off this highlighter, which is by Makeup Forever. It's called Pro Light Fusion, and I will put it on the spots here. balance out the two sides. Although it has not moved at all, like it is in perfect shape, I'm just darkening it up a little bit. Seems perfect. I need a little bit of this for my double chin. Like when I do this, I will put the dark color here for it to disappear. Although it does not completely disappear, but still looks good. So this is the finished look. This is how I revamped my makeup for today. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. We can take it much longer, we can make a bigger wing, we can add heavier lashes, but I think I would stop here. There has to be a limit to as much as makeup you can wear. So thank you very much for watching. Love you, darlings.